We met about 5 years ago in the British Heart Foundation. I actually asked Jim to marry me, so whether he wanted to or not, he was going to. Funnily enough, the first person I phoned wasn't actually Jim to tell him I was pregnant, it was my friend Katrina. I was quite scared of telling my mum.
Yeah.
We were fine about telling Jim's mum.
I was quite scared of telling your mum as well, to be honest.
Not that she's a scary person, but she is.
3, 2, 1, go!
When we found out, it was completely out of the blue. It was we hadn't suspected there'd been any problems at all, and they were doing the scan. We'd had several before, but this time there was something different, and they kept focusing on these 2 areas, and it was sort of alarm bells started ringing then.
When we found out that Katrina had spina bifida, we thought like everything was just ruined. We didn't know anything about it.
I'd heard of spina bifida, but I had no idea what it was.
We were kind of deciding whether to have her or not to have her. We were given the option to have her, have my birth induced, and she basically come out dead, which was not a plan at all. I did not want that.
It was all kind of scary. Yeah.
Tommy was loved by all that knew him. As we commit his body to the earth again, his spirit will live on forevermore.
I know he's your best friend, but you have to accept that he's gone.
We should show each other our penises.
I don't believe this. You're supposed to be dead.
So, you're telling me that Tommy Saul is trapped on Facebook?
I know it's hard to believe, but I'm just glad that we can speak to him again.
So say if I do believe you, what happens when Facebook gets bought?
What?
Haven't you heard, Cameron? Google has bought Facebook. Facebook will be Google+.
I need to speak to the CEO straight away. Don't you understand? A life is at stake! Mr. Google, you can't get rid of Facebook. My dead best friend is trapped on there.
Do you know how many times I've heard that? You're out of luck, kiddo.
Then I'll take you down.
Make sure he never gets a Google Plus account.
Tell me why you care about someone so much who calls your own mother a slut on Facebook. Fucking tell me that one, huh?
They're just out for money. I wish you weren't doing this.
I have to.
I just don't understand, Cameron. They have the most powerful search engine in the world.
Tommy McTommy, you're back in my life. Don't toy with my emotions. Dude, someone left their Facebook open. Dude, some little gay kid is talking to me.
What's he saying?
I miss you.
Tell him his mum misses my cock.
Yeah.
We've been expecting you. Here, put this on. And take this.
Why aren't they following us? Why are they leaving?
I think there's a good reason for that, son.
Oh no.
Are you alright, son?
What do you mean?
Can you move?
Yeah, I think so. Why?
I think I'm going to have to run again.
Which way?
Towards the trees. They'll give us cover.
Okay, let's do this. Oh, and Dad, I hate you.
I love you too, son. Let's go!
It isn't real. It's a dream. It's a dream, and I'm gonna wake up in my bed from this bad dream. It isn't real. It's not real.
Come on, you're going to be alright. And no, this isn't a dream. Actually, I think you'd rather enjoy it, considering all your generation do is play computer games, killing fake creatures in made-up worlds. You need to get out and explore the real world, not be glued to your laptop 24/7.
I'm not like that. You don't know anything about me. You're always too busy for me. You have no idea what I do with my time and what I want to do with my life.
You're right, I know you are. Look, I won't lie to you. It's important to me. It's my work. Maybe it's too important. When you and your sister were young, your mum and I, we didn't have much money. I had to fight hard for a job at Omnivore. And then when I finally got it, I had to work all the hours to hold on to it. I may have lost sight of the important things of life, but I did it for all of you. Even your mother.
I've never seen you like this.
You just see me as your dad. But I'm a man like any other. I make mistakes. It's only natural. But I am sorry. Hey, don't tell your mother I said that, will you?
I'm sorry, Dad, for everything. It's all my fault.
No, you weren't to know. It's my fault. I should have tried harder. I should have made more effort.
You know, you have a pretty cool job.